Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I've rode lots of different paddle boards before, but my favorite thing about this one from DAKUWAR is how lightweight it is. Even though I can literally lift it just with one arm and walk around with it, it does not sacrifice size for how easy it is to carry. So this is 10 foot 6 inches long, 33 inches wide, and it inflates up to 6 inches. That is so nice because that means that when you're in the water, not only are you going to have a big deck to be able to walk around, sit on, lay on, whatever it is that you want, but also you're not going to feel like you're dragging in the water. This has a really nice anti-slip pad on it. I do recommend filling it to its full 15 psi because that's going to give you the most buoyancy and the most solid feeling when you're floating and paddling on this. Now, if like me, when you get it, you notice that there's just a small little leak coming from the air valve, follow the manufacturer's instructions and use the enclosed wrench just to tighten that up. It was very easy to do, and once I did that, I had zero issues with it leaking air. I think this is an easy to handle and great beginner board, and that's my point of view.